Hi stroke survivors, it's me Tia Timpson again. I look a little different in this video because I have on this number and my leg brace. And that's because I'm going to talk to you a little bit about 5Ks. As you know, I suffered a massive stroke 3 years ago when I was 20 years old that paralyzed the entire left side of my body. And I've completed 5Ks since my stroke. So today I'm going to give you some tips on how even a stroke survivor can successfully complete a 5K. My first tip to you would be, because everybody's medical situation is different, please consult first with your doctors and physical therapists before you decide to complete a 5K. Tip number 2 would be to please wear your AFO. This will allow your leg to be a lot more straight and give you a more correct gait. So you might already know that stroke survivors develop something called a circumduction gait when they walk, when you swing your leg. So I'm going to show you how the incorrect way to walk a 5K. You don't want to make your brain think that swinging your leg is correct, so you need to train your brain to let them know the correct way to walk for 3 miles. So a circumduction gait looks something like this. When you're walking and you're swinging your leg, but that's incorrect. You want to get that pendulum movement when you're walking. So you need to be bending your knee and getting that heel strike. So when you walk your 5K, be sure to do your knee, heel strike, knee, heel strike, knee, heel strike. Bend your knee, get a heel strike. And with me, I have a titanium rod in my femur bone, going from my hip all the way down to my knee. So walking in the cold really bothers me, and I can even become a fall risk in the winter. So if you have a similar situation, or if the cold bothers you and you don't want to become a fall risk while you're walking 5K, so I do not suggest doing races in the winter. Be sure to keep your races within the summer and spring season. So remember, while you're walking, you're going to be going slow, and people are going to be passing you, and it might take you a while to finish. But I just want to let you know, do not worry about that. Stay confident in yourself, be conscious of your gait, and just keep going. And just remember that your main goal is to cross the finish line. Don't worry about people walking past you or how fast you're going. Just try to finish the race. So just keep going, keep pacing. It took me 3 hours to finish my first 5K. So don't worry about the time. Don't worry about people passing you. Just know that you can successfully do this just like people who have not suffered a stroke. So even stroke survivors can finish 5Ks. Just keep walking and never give up. Be safe out there, survivors. I'll see you at the finish line.